Thank you for joining us today. Thanks for being curious about learning how to design web applications. My name is Michael Scott McGinn, and I want to introduce you to our resource site. At, we call it Web Applications Programming Technology User Group at WapTugTour. This site can be found that you're looking at on the screen today is available at on-line-interactivity.com, and this is our main project we've been working on, hand rolling an interface using jQuery and HTML5. This is a simple interface with a nifty little JavaScript jQuery function here. It flips this back and forth, kind of hides the menu, flips this button around, changes its values dynamically. And we wanted to show you a bit of the two main features that you can get to from the site. One is our resource list of a bunch of different web application programming technology resources. We have links to some cool projects for mobile application development, platform as a service, app engine development, GitHub, virtual private servers. We have application links to organizations that are doing things similar to what we're doing. Code.org, the Computer Science Education Week, which aims to get 10 million students to program for an hour and learn about coding in December of 2013. Got W3 Schools, which is run by Tim Berners-Lee, the creator of the World Wide Web and the HTML markup language. Compile Online is a great resource for experimenting with many different compiled programming languages and some other neat, nifty utilities that you can see in an interactive interface. NetLit 101 is a great training resource for folks who want to learn about the very basics of what it takes to operate on the internet. CodeChef is a great students-focused code training academy. The Khan Academy is a great resource for learning how to code, and just a plethora of other free online video training services in lessons in math and all kinds of other neat, really cool stuff. JS Fiddle is a really cool site for experimenting with the various JavaScript libraries. Draw Online is a neat site that allows you to draw pictures online and then save them to your computer or publish them into a cool website. PHP Classes is a great resource library for code snips of classes, object classes written in PHP. PWCT for making Windows applications. This is a great tool that you can download to your desktop. It's not a Windows-based application, or rather it's not a web-based application, but it does give you kind of a complete picture if you utilize all of the other resources we link to here. Kind of completes the circle so that you can experiment with creating desktop Windows applications. JavaScript Classes is a great resource of code snips and functions that have been written in JavaScript and shared. We have 4 different project partners. We have a church, an educational institution, community groups, and industry, all working together on this. And then a site here that is some great single-page web design ideas. When you get your project to the point where you need crowdfunding, this will take you to a site that can help you with that. And this site is a tool-based, which is the primary focus of our group, is the Code IAD WebIDE, which is an online code and project development tool. It's an open source solution. And then we have our WapTugTour, which is going to be our platform for presenting streaming video and interactive lessons. I'll take you there real quick and just show you the front page on that. It's not quite done yet, but it's a work in progress. All kinds of cool stuff. We'll have blogs and chat rooms and streaming video and quizzes and certificates and stuff like that that we'll have available here. It's based on the open source learning information management system called Moodle. And this all ties in with our primary original page that we started with a few years ago. This site is a content management system based on the open source system called Joomla. And this will take us back to this page here, and we can log in. We can either log in here or we can log in here. You'll need to create requesting a new membership account is done through this portal with our church group that we're working through. You just go here and click on that, sign up for the group, fill in your info here. We're inviting folks at the start of this project from these areas to join with us, and then sign up. I'll get an email, I'll send you a link, and then in order to get your IDE account set up, you'll need to then come back and join us for a meeting. We have meetings on the first Saturday of every month when it's possible, and we meet at the Tully's at Canyon Park Plaza in Bothell at 22615 Bothell Everett Highway in Bothell, Washington 98021. You can Google that, it's real easy. Jump off a Highway 405. So once you've got your account set up, you can come in here and log in. And type in your username that you'll get at the meeting, along with your password. And this will give you the ability to have a project and then be able to edit your code online. So this is all online. Multiple tabs, really cool stuff. This is like having a desktop integrated development environment, but this is web-based that you can get to from anywhere you can get on the internet. It's got a menu of options over here that you can experiment with once you get your account set up. Just double click on the file you want to edit, and you've got this editing window here that you can make changes to your code. and then save it. See that it says file saved here, and that update is now live. And if you wanted to see what that looks like on the web, just right click there and click on preview. It'll pop up a window, and you can see exactly what this thing does. And so you've got this space here. Whatever you create in your project folder that you get assigned, you just go. You can also, this is our IP address, but you can also use our website address at on-line-interactivity, and then /WebIDE workspace /cool, whatever your project name is, and then the file name that you want to run, and that's your address. You can point a domain name to that if you wanted to, but don't have to. Just for experimentation purposes. So there you go. We look forward to seeing you at the meeting. Thank you.